Welcome to session 2 of Unit 4 in learning the course Design and Analysis of Algorithms. In our previous sessions, we seen the general method of backtracking. From this session, we are going to learn various applications which are solved by using backtracking method. In this session, we are going to see the first application of backtracking method, which is nothing but N-Queen's problem. Now, coming to the objectives of this session, the main objectives are to understand what is N-Queen's problem, to solve N-Queen's problem by following backtracking algorithm design technique. The learning outcomes of this session are, by listening this session, one can understand what is N-Queen's problem and able to follow backtracking algorithm design strategy to develop algorithms for solving N-Queen's problem. The topics that we are going to discuss in this session are problem statement of N-Queen's problem. Especially there are two instances are there in N-Queen's problem. The first instance is 4-Queen's problem and second instance is 8-Queen's problem. And the state space tree for 4-Queen's problem, and also we are going to see the algorithm which is developed by using backtracking algorithm design strategy. So all these concepts that we are going to learn in this session. Now coming to the problem statement, what is N-Queen's problem? Given N queens and an n by n chessboard, we are given N queens and an n by n chessboard. The N queens problem is placing N queens onto the n by n chessboard such that no two queens attack each other. Here, what is N queens problem? We are given N queens and an n by n chessboard. The N queens problem is placing the N queens onto the n by n chessboard in such a way that no two queens attack each other. That is, what is meant by no two queens attack each other? That is, no two queens are in the same row, same column and same diagonal. No two queens in the same row, same column and same diagonal. Now, the time complexity of solving this N-Queen's problem is big O of n power n. The time complexity of solving this N-Queen's problem is big O of n power n. Now here, let us see, this is 8-Queen's problem. How backtracking is done in solving the 8-Queen's problem. You can observe that the first queen placed, second queen placed, third queen placed, after that it is removed. Again it rearranges the position of second queen, third queen and fourth queen. Again it goes for rearranging fourth queen, third queen. Again it goes for rearranging second queen. That is, it is checking for the alternatives. First the first queen is placed, next second queen is placed. Is there any place for placing, any position for placing third queen? It is checking. If it finds any position, it places that queen. If it not finds that position, it goes for rearranging the position of the second queen and it places the third queen. Like that the backtracking process continues. Now, what is 4-Queen's problem? Given 4 queens and a 4x4 chessboard, here n is considered as 4. That is, 4 queens are given and a 4x4 chessboard is given. The 4 queens problem is placing 4 queens onto the 4x4 chessboard such that no two queens attack each other. That is, no two queens are on the same row, same column and same diagonal. That is, you can see here we are given 4 queens. Here this is queen 1, this is queen 2, this is queen 3 and this is queen 4. We are given 4 queens and we are given a 4x4 chessboard. We need to place all these queens onto the chessboard such that, suppose for example, if we placed queen 1 at this place, we cannot place queen 2 at here. We can place queen 2 here. That is, no two queens are on the same row, same column and same diagonal. In this column, queen 2 cannot be present. And in this diagonal, queen 2 cannot be present. That is, we can place queen 2 here. Now, next, we can find a place to queen 3. Next, we can find a place to queen 3. Queen 3 cannot be placed here. Queen 3 cannot be placed here. It cannot be placed here. It can also be not be placed here. That is, we are unable to find a place for queen 3. We are unable to find. Since if we place queen 3 here, these are in the same column. If we place queen 3 here, these are in the same diagonal. If we place queen 3 here, these are in the same column. If we place queen 3 here, these are in the same diagonal. So, we are unable to find the position for queen 3. So, that's why we backtrack the process. We rearrange the position of the already placed queens. Now, how to do entire placing of all the queens onto the chessboard using backtracking process can be explained by using this state space tree. Let us see the state space tree. Initially, we start with empty chessboard. Now, the first possible position for first queen is the 1-1 position. I placed first queen there. Now, later, I find here the first queen cannot be placed. Here the first queen cannot be placed. Here I can place the second queen. So that's why I placed the second queen. But we are unable to find the position for third queen. So we backtrack the process and we rearranged the position of second queen. That is, the next possible position for second queen is this position. I placed the second queen here. Now, what is the position for third queen? Third queen cannot be placed here. And it is not possible to place here, it is not possible to place here, it is not possible to place here. But I can place third queen here. So, I placed third queen here. But what is the position for fourth queen? Now, here it cannot be placed since they comes into the same diagonal. Here it cannot be placed since they comes into the same column. It cannot be placed here since they comes into the same diagonal. Here it cannot be placed since they comes into the same column. So, here I am unable to find the position for fourth queen. So, we backtrack the process. I rearranged the position of queen 1. Now, by rearranging the position of queen 1, I find a position for queen 1 here and queen 2 here. Now, I can place queen 3 here. I find a position for queen 3 here and I find a position for queen 4 here. Now, you can observe there is no two queens in the same row, same column and same diagonal. You can check the diagonals. Here, this is the diagonal of this queen and this gives the diagonal of this queen and this gives the diagonal of this queen and this gives the diagonal of this queen. No two queens are on the same diagonal, same row and same column. So, this gives the solution for 4 queens problem. One of the solutions for 4 queens problem. You may get another solution by rearranging the positions of queens. Now, this solution can be expressed as 2, 4, 1, 3. That is, in second column, the first queen is placed. In fourth column, the second queen is placed. In first column, third queen is placed. And in third column, fourth queen is placed. This gives the solution for 4 queens problem. What about the state space tree for 4 queens problem? Here, this gives the state space tree for 4 queens problem. This state space tree is constructed by following DFS structure. What is DFS? Depth first search. Depth first search way we constructed the state space tree. Now, let us see. Here, the possible positions for first queen are, I can place in the first place, second place, third place and fourth place. Suppose, for example, I placed the first queen in first place. What are the possible positions for second queen? 2, 3, 4. Now, third queen. What are the possible positions for third queen? If I placed the first queen in first row, second queen in second row, the possible position for third queen are third row and fourth row. Now, if I place first queen first row, second queen second row, third queen third row, the fourth queen can be placed in fourth row. Fourth queen can be placed in fourth row. Now, here I am representing row-wise representation. In this state space tree, we represented row-wise representation. If you consider the column and diagonal constraints, all these may not be the solutions. Now, what becomes the solutions? 2. Placing of first queen in the second. This is the solution. 2 and 4, 1, 3. 2, 4, 1, 3 becomes a solution. That is 2, 4, 1, 3. This becomes one of the solutions of n-queens problem. And what becomes the another solution for n-queens problem? 3. So here you can consider in the reverse process. 3, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2. That is, if you observe this one, here if you reversely draw the diagram, you can find the solution for n-queens problem. Here I placed Q, first queen here, second queen here, third queen here, and fourth queen here, which is nothing but 3, 1, 4, 2. This is the another solution. That is 3, 1, 4, 2. This is the another solution for 4 queens problem. So that is, here we found 2 solutions for 4 queens problem. Here this gives the state space tree. By searching this state space tree systematically, we can get the solutions for 4 queens problem. Right. Coming to 8 queens problem. What is 8 queens problem? What is the statement of 8 queens problem? Given 8 queens and an 8 by 8 chessboard, the 8 queens problem is placing 8 queens onto the 8 by 8 chessboard such that no 2 queens attack each other. That is, no 2 queens are on the same row, same column and same diagonal. So here we are given an 8 by 8 chessboard, and also we are given 8 queens. Queen 1, queen 2, queen 3, queen 4, queen 5, queen 6, queen 7 and queen 8. We are given 8 queens. We need to place these 8 queens onto the 8 by 8 chessboard, such as first queen onto the first row, second queen onto the second row, third queen onto the third row, and so on, 8th queen onto the 8th row. And no 2 queens are on the same column and same diagonal. By following those 2 constraints, we need to place all these 8 queens onto the 8 by 8 chessboard. Now here you can see the solution for 8 queens problem. This gives one of the solutions. 8 queens problem contains a lot of solutions. Out of all those solutions, one of the solution is this one. This solution can be expressed as this. Since this is the 4th column, we can write here this position is 4, this is 6, and this is 8, and this position is 2, and this position is 7. This position is 1, and this position is 3, and this position is 5. So 4, 6, 8, 2, 7, 1, 3, 5. This becomes one of the solutions of 8 queen problem. 8 queens problem. Let us see the algorithm, backtracking algorithm for solving n queens problem. Here this is the generalized algorithm which solves all n queens problems. We did not get a solution for n is equal to 2 and n is equal to 3. So for those 2, we will not get a solution. From n is equal to 4 onwards, we can get solutions for n queens problems. Okay. Now since why we did not get the solutions for n is equal to 2, so 2 queens q1 and q2, 2 by 2 chessboard we will be given. So at anywhere if you place the queen, suppose if you place queen 1 here, there is no place for queen 2. If you place queen 1 here, there is no place for queen 2. So that's why there is no solution for n is equal to 2. In the same way, if you take n is equal to 3, that is you are given 3 queens and a 3 by 3 chessboard. If you place queen 1 here, you have a position for queen 2 here, but there is no place for queen 3. If you place queen 1 here, there is no place for queen 2 itself. If you place queen 1 here, there is a position for queen 2 here, but there is no place for queen 3. So n is equal to 3 also not have any solution. From n is equal to 4 onwards, we have the solution. Now this is the generalized algorithm which is developed using backtracking strategy to solve all n queens problems, all the class of problems. Now here this algorithm is divided into 2 parts. The first part is given by place of ki, queen place of ki, and second part is n queens k comma n, n queens k comma n. Now here where what is k, what is I, where k is equal to queen k. Here K indicates the queen, which queen, first queen or second queen or third queen, kth queen, and I is column number, which queen K is placed. I is the column number in which column the queen K is placed. Now, queen place of Ki returns true if a queen can be placed in the kth row and ith column. Otherwise, it returns false. Here, this algorithm either returns true or false. When it returns true, if a queen can be placed in kth row and ith column. If a queen can be placed in kth row and ith column, it returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. In writing this algorithm, we used a function which is nothing but ABS of R. Here, this function is nothing but absolute value function. Absolute value of R. Now, let us see the steps which are present in this algorithm. For j is equal to 1 to k minus 1, if x of j is equal to I, or absolute value of x of j minus I is equal to absolute value of j minus k, then return false. That is, if the two queens are present in row, same column or same diagonal. We are checking here whether they are in the same column or same diagonal. We are returning false. If this condition is true, we are returning false. Otherwise, we return true. True. Now, here this algorithm entirely called in that algorithm. That algorithm is the main algorithm. Here place of Ki is called in that algorithm. Now, here let us see this n queen k comma n. Here x is a global array whose first k minus values have been set. And for I is equal to 1 to n, if queen place of k comma I, then x of k is equal to I. That is, here we called place of Ki algorithm. If this returns true, if it is true, then x of k is equal to I. If k is equal to n, then write x1 to k. That is, the position of queen is finalized. X of k is equal to I means in which column? That is, in ith column, the queen k can be placed. Okay, so if its position is fixed and k is equal to n, that is all n queens are completed, we return the solution. Else, if all n queens are not completed, we call the algorithm for k plus 1 queen, that is next queen. Next queen we are calling the algorithm and we return the process. So this entirely explains the backtracking algorithm for n queens problem. I hope you all understood this n queens problem. I am going to summarize the concepts what we discussed in this session. In this session, we discussed about the problem statement of n queens problem, and we seen how to use the backtracking process to solve n queens problem, and also we seen the state space tree which is used to solve n queens problem. We seen two instances of n queens problem. One is 4 queens problem and other is 8 queens problem. We seen the solutions for both 4 queens problem as well as 8 queens problem, and also we explained the algorithm which is developed by using backtracking algorithm design technique. To assess yourself here, I given some questions. Please answer these questions. The first question is, in how many directions do queens attack each other? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. Second question is, where is n queens problem implemented? Option A caroms, option B chess, option C ludo, option D cards. The next question is, in n queens problem, how many values of n does not provide an optimal solution? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. Next question is, state n queens problem and explain the solution of 4 queens problem with the help of state space tree construction. In preparing this presentation, I used the digital content from various public sources. It is only used for educational purpose and not for the commercial purposes. Thank you for listening the session.